Okay, there's a stock we're gonna explain about the strategy for it on Monday. There's a big volume happening before we close at the Friday last week. So what we're gonna do, where the price will hit and where the warning sign if we don't respect the support. So let's get right to it and see this exploding, this about to explode by Monday. So let's get right to it. Press the like button. As always told you here, no BS, no editing at my channel, straight to information and straight to the shots. So let's get right to it. The stock is called fuelcell energy and ticker symbol is fcel. So for this one, I see a big momentum happening right now whenever we visit this $5.84, and we already bounced from it and we met with the rejection because we have our not friend right now is our enemy because it's acting as a rejection. However, this rejection right now we have a buying pressure and hold near the exponential average. This is reaction is ready to explode, guys, because if we got rejected before, we meet with a lot of rejection and we go back, really back down. But here we got a rejection, but we bought back really fast and we're still near the exponential average and the support, as I said, the $4.84. And again, this is really important level because now we filling the gap and we fill it and we hold above it and we close above the $6.33. So for this one, guys, simple as that, buy next week. If we hold the $5.84 pre-market, even we might see the price jump as high as this price. I will take my profit below the $8, like around the $7.90. I will take my profit because the price will hit here really fast. Even with pre-market, you're gonna see a gap for this one, so be careful. Any price hold up above the $5.84 by Monday, explosion till 8. Okay, take your profit below the $8. We might go even to $11 next week. However, the perfect or the more safest and sure way to take your profit is around the 7. And again, as I said in previous video, if you don't want to feel FOMO, take at least 70%, 60% profit and let the other go until the 11 if you don't want to re-enter and get burned by re-entering, because this is scenario always happen for new trader. They try to expand the profit, they get cut. You might get lucky once, twice, but the more probability if you do it more, you're gonna lose more. Here, there's no wishful thinking. Only we work on our strategy and numbers and percentage. Count your how much you lose against how much you gain, and this is how you know the how good quality the strategy you took or from the bad ones. So for this one, as I said, $5.84. If we hold is good. If we don't hold, we're gonna see the $4.49. Be careful. And any price hold, perfect. Volume is actually support us, testing for our exponential average, exploding before the 7. Take your profit, and then I will do another update to tell you what's going on if we got rejected, because we need to see a live chart to know about the volume and what's going on with the volume in order to have an analysis for it. So now for the time being, this is the strategy, and you have to work with your strategy to never be stressed or paranoid or undecisive, because in the market you have to be decisive. Get in, get out, know your price where you get in at or you get out at, and know and decision. If you don't have a decision, the market will take a decision for you and you give you the bad price. Always ask for your price, then take it. It's simple. Even in your life, if you don't know what you want, guess what the marketplace will give you? A really bad job, minimum price job. Come on, this is the common sense. Always ask from what you want in life in order to have it, unless you're gonna get really, really bad choices. Because never having a choice is a choice. If you hold the stock, is a choice. Okay, if you hold, you don't buy or sell, it's easier because a lot of people don't want to make decision, and making decision is intensive, high energy, take high energy from your brain. Okay, a lot of people don't want to deal with taking decisions, so they let go and they told you hold. As happened with a lot of stocks, when they bump and go up, hold, hold, hold. This is the new era of people don't want to think. Hold is good, but if you know the price will get rejected, eventually everything will get rejected. So take the profit before we get rejected. 300%, 500%. It happened with a lot of stocks. When you go up 500%, people will say, hold, hold, hold. Yes, you hold, the other guy will take a profit and re-enter under another dip. And you be really frustrated because you see that you gain, let's say from 10,000, you gain almost 20,000 or more, or 10,000, like 100%, 200% on your money. Then you see it like gone in just one day again. This is really frustrating and make you angry, and it's like, oh, I should have took the profit. And you think about 5 years, 10 years. Of course, we might not live even for 5 years. So just take a profit now. Take the profit right now, then re-enter. If you know the price, let me ask you this question. If you know the price will hit the rejection at like precise level that always we're talking about. If you know, you're gonna hold, even if you're a long investor, you're gonna hold or you sell to take it, like take a profit on the lower prices. This is question for you. Ask yourself. Always ask yourself hard question like this. Don't have a wishful thinking and say, I will hold and the price will go to 100 and we trading today, let's say at $10. This is wishful thinking because there's a lot of factors can come to the play and we can like have a control over. What we have control over is our strategy and our emotion and our chart. The rest is luck and hypothesis and factors outside our pool of decision making. We can actually make a decision for them, the market to go up because it's out our control. Just focus on the thing that we can control to have less stress and more easy decision making. So hopefully you have this video clear enough for you guys and discuss about the major flaws that a new trader do. If you like this kind of video, comment section below. I will do a special episode for that. Hunt for a right price, stocks before explode, and explain the psychology that usually happen with the new trader, so we never get fall in it. Simple as that. We learn from our mistake and move on and move forward and grow on the way. So hopefully you have a nice weekend, and as I said, always let the price come to you, never run after the price. See you guys in the next video.